Welcome back, everyone. It's great to be back for our monthly Tech Trends update from the Itaú International Strategy team. Artificial intelligence continues to be a hot topic as Alphabet held their annual Google I/O conference, where they displayed lots of new AI-related products, but also updates to Pixel and other products. Pop culture continues to utilize this technology to come up with cool and interesting forms of art using AI. We also got lots of updates from first quarter earnings releases from public companies, and we also obtained what shares funds bought and sold with the release of the quarterly 13F filings, which require funds to update their holdings in public companies. Lastly, we had discussed a few months ago on one of our first Tech Trends update that Eli Lilly would be releasing phase 3 data for their drug for early stage Alzheimer's disease over the summer, and we actually got those results earlier than expected. So let's start with AI, since it continues to be very topical. Google is going to integrate AI into over 20 products, including Docs, Maps, Sheets, and their chatbot, Bard. As an example, users would be able to instruct Google Docs to write for them a job posting for a regional salesperson, and it will write a draft post that then can be edited by the users. Other features announced included using pictures with Bard. Examples include asking Bard to write a poem of a picture that is uploaded, and you can also ask Bard to create images based on text, similar to OpenAI's DALL-E 2 product. Pop culture continues to utilize this technology and has released some really interesting content. In the previous episodes, we discussed an AI-generated image of the Pope, AI-generated music featuring Drake and The Weeknd, and now we have popular movie trailers of movies reimagined. An example is a movie trailer for The Lord of the Rings remade by legendary filmmaker Wes Anderson, where the trailer is made in his style of movie making. We also got this past month an update from large cap technology sector where many of this new AI technology is being developed, as well as integrated into their existing products. NVIDIA, for example, is up approximately 114%, with Meta up 104%, Alphabet and Amazon up close to 40%, and Microsoft and Apple up a little over 30% year to date. Besides AI, some trends from the large technology companies included better than expected online advertising trends at Alphabet and Meta, cost-cutting measures at Meta, Alphabet, Amazon, and Microsoft. Cloud computing was under a little bit of pressure last year, but it seems like those trends have stabilized and could actually improve as computing demand for AI and demand elsewhere has stabilized. Lastly, Apple had strong results with emerging market demand helping with China reopening and India growing strongly. We also track each quarter the changes that large funds made with their public equity holdings. Some highlights included NVIDIA being bought by many funds, including Tiger Global, Code2, and Appaloosa. Alphabet shares were extremely volatile during the first quarter and traded weaker for a period of time due to competitive concerns regarding ChatGPT and Microsoft Bing's impact to Google search. Many funds took advantage of the weakness in Alphabet shares and bought more shares. This included Baupost, Third Point, and many other funds. Lastly, it's worth noting that Berkshire Hathaway bought even more Apple shares, and it now represents approximately 48% of their public equity investments. We have been highlighting how the healthcare sector is using technology to develop better treatments for debilitating and fatal diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. We just got an update from Eli Lilly on their phase 3 trial results for their drug to treat early Alzheimer's disease, and the results were encouraging and showed that the drug significantly slowed cognitive and functional decline in people with early Alzheimer's. This news helped shares of Eli Lilly rally close to 7%. Thanks again, everyone, for joining us to learn about some recent trends in the technology sector. And as always, feel free to reach out to us for anything that we can help with. We look forward to speaking to everyone again next month.